What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Agony the symbiote from Venom 3. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the inside edge of the eyes. We're going to leave a small gap in the center. Let's start on the left. We're going to bend this up and then out towards the top. Let's line up the bottom over on the right and do the same thing. Just bending that out. I just want to curl this around, coming down, up and out, and then back in. It's almost like drawing an oval. And from here, it's going to bend this out and then up towards the top of the eyes. Let's bend this back down and in. Back out and then up. I just want to swirl this around, coming down and then up towards the side of the eyes. Let's work our way down towards the bottom, coming down and then in. Bend this back up towards the inside, and then curve this in and then down towards the inside of the eyes. Now we're going to move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside left eye, let's step out, curve this down, bend this in towards the middle of the chin, go across, and then up towards the right. Now in this area, we're going to draw the mouth going out and then up towards the sides. So let's start in the center with a point. Just going to add a point coming down and up towards the left and right side. Now I want to continue to add these points going around the eye and then up towards the side of the head. Now let's trace these points along the bottom, starting in the center, down and up. I'm just going to work our way across and then blend this out towards the side of the head. Now from the top of the eyes, let's move to the center, start with a point. Just want to brush the hair going up and then out. So let's start with the left side. We go up, across, and then down. Let's go back to the center, go up, and then down towards the right. Then we'll go back and tuck the head in underneath. So start back on left, bump this out, up, and then in. Let's add some texture to the hair. Starting in the middle, we go straight up, and bend this out. Add another one going around the right side, and then out. Let's add one more going up towards the right side. Now let's go down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start on the left side, and it's out and then down towards the left hip. Go to the right and do the same thing, going down towards the same height. Now in the center of the chest, let's add a curve, going up and then down. From the hips, move to the center, step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, we're going to bend the leg, going out and then down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and then down towards the right heel. Now we're going to curve the feet going out towards the first claw. So starting on the left, going out and then down towards the tip, bend this up and then in. Let's add two more claws layered in on either side. So we're going to start from the side of this claw, going out and then down, go up and then bend that back in. Let's add another one. I'm just going to bend this up towards the top of the foot and then bend this down, aiming towards the heel. Now we're going to go back up to the hips, draw the outside of the leg. We'll go out and then down on top of the feet. Let's go halfway down the side of the body. We're going to draw the inside edge of the arms, bend this out and then down towards the wrist on both sides. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Now I'm going to curl three fingers on either side into a fist. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, we come down and bend that up around that bracket. Let's go to the side, there in the second finger, going around and up. And then the third finger, and go up, blend into the arm, going up and then in underneath the head. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to add some detail to the body. Let's start with the forearms. We're going to start from the outside. We're going to add these points coming down and in. Add a point going up. Let's add one coming down and in. Curve this up toward the top. And then bend this towards the inside of the arm. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. I'm going to start from the inside. We just want to mirror this over. Let's add a couple points across the shoulder, going up and in, come down, and then up towards the inside of the body. Let's add a trim across the hips. Starting from the left side, we're going to go up, bend that down to create a point, going out and then up. Let's add another point coming down and then up towards the hip. Now just like we did with the arms, we're going to add that same trim across the legs. Let's start from the outside. Coming down and in, go up, come down. Now I'm just going to curve in the opposite direction, going out and then back in. Let's flip that over on the right. Now let's go back and layer the hair in behind. We're going to start up here on the left side, then the outside going up, come down along the side of the head, bend this out, and back in. It's going to add a curl across the bottom. We want to go around the arm, and then in towards the bottom. Let's go back up to the top. We're going to add a layer from here, going up, across, and then down. Let's move back up, draw in the right side, going around, and then down. That's going to mirror this shape over on the right side, going out, and back in towards the arms, go around the arms, and pull that in. Now I'm going to add some texture across the bottom. Let's start on the left, going up and in toward the hand, coming down and in, bend this up and then in toward the side of the leg. Let's go to the side of the head and add some texture. Starting on the left side, we're going to go down and out, and then bend that back in. Now we're going to switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of the face, going around the eyes and the mouth. Now we're going to finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Agony from Venom 3. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.